You are applying the law of attraction. You are manifesting your goals, desires, and dreams. But sometimes you doubt yourself. Sometimes you wonder, are you really moving forward? Are you really using the law of attraction in the right way? And maybe your goals, desires, and dreams are yet to come true, but you want to have that assurance that you are on the right path and you are really using the law of attraction in the right direction and you are trusting the universe. Yes, that confirmation is required, and you need to know whether you are on the right path or not. Because if you are on the wrong path, you need to pull yourself back and you have to put yourself on the right path. That is why today I'm giving you the seven signs that will confirm you that you are on the right path. You are using the law of attraction. The law of attraction is working for you. Are you ready to know these seven signs? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I know that all of you are manifesting your goals, desires and dreams. And before we start this video, I want to tell you that you have the power within you to manifest your desires. And the universe is always working for you. The one who believes in the universe will always find the path to his or her destination. You are the magical creation of the universe. But sometimes while applying the law of attraction, you wonder whether you are on the right path or not. So these are the seven signs which will prove you that you are on the right path, or in case if you are on the wrong path, you can understand where you are doing the mistake so that you can pull yourself back and put yourself on the right path. So this video is really going to help each one of you in your manifestation journey, because all of you are using tools, techniques and processes, but it is important for you to know that whether you are using them in the right direction or not. If you are new here in our awesome tribe, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe so that you won't miss awesome videos like this. So the first sign that you are on the right path and the law of attraction is working for you is you start manifesting at a faster rate. Yes, your manifestations start happening at a faster rate. However, that doesn't mean that your big dreams has come true, or if you are struggling for your big desires or big manifestation like getting that dream job, making that big amount of money or healing that relationship hasn't come true, means the law of attraction is not working for you. That's not the point. The point is, whatever you are thinking and focusing, you start manifesting those things faster, and especially the small things where you don't have the resistance or anything. Like for example, you think about something and you get it. So many of you have manifested the smiley within 24 hours, or you think about a movie, or you think about a movie star, or you think about a number, or you think about a name, and you start seeing them regularly. So that is a big sign that you are on the right path, even if those are not your big dreams, but you start manifesting faster. Or sometimes you think about having a particular coffee, or you think about having a particular thing, or you think about a movie or a song and you manifest it after a few hours or next day, or sometime later somebody send or share the same thing with you. Means whatever you are thinking, things are getting manifested faster. This is the number one sign, means you are on the right path and the law of attraction is working for you. Second sign is you are no more afraid to tell the universe what you really desire, what you really want. Yes, this is the most important thing, because when you are no more afraid, when you are no more doubtful about telling the universe that universe, I want this thing, universe, I'm manifesting this thing, universe, I deserve to have that magical relationship, universe, I deserve to have that dream job and I'm manifesting it, universe, I'm manifesting that X amount of money or that business success, or universe, I'm healing my relationship, I'm healing my body. So if you are not afraid to tell the universe what you are manifesting, it means you are using the law of attraction in the right path, because you are no more carrying all those doubts or fears, and you are not wondering, oh, am I really going to manifest it? Is it really going to work for me? Means you have removed all those doubts and fears. Or in case if you are still having doubts and fears and you are not able to communicate to the universe, then this is the time where you have to stop all your doubts and fears and start trusting the universe, and you should start telling the universe what you desire. That is the most important thing. Now the third sign is you feel totally open to change. Yes, you are no more afraid of change. You are no more fearful about change, because you know that change is the only constant in life. But change can be on the better side or it can be in the bitter side. Yes, change can be better or bitter. So you have understood it clearly and you are no more afraid of change. You know that if you trust yourself, if you trust your dreams, if you trust the universe, then your change is going to be in the positive side. Your change is going to happen in the progressive side. Remember, if right now you are struggling in your relationship, and if you are healing your relationship or manifesting your magical relationship, means it's going to be a change from the broken or struggling relationship to the happy relationship. Let's suppose you are working in a bad job, or you are unemployed or jobless at this point, and you are manifesting your dream job, means that is a change. So anything that you are manifesting or whatever is happening, there will be a change. But you are no more afraid of change. Remember, people who struggle in manifestation are always fearful of change. That is why they doubt themselves, they doubt the universe, and they never manifest anything. If you are no more afraid of change, because you know that change for you means change is going to be in the positive side, then you are on the right path and the law of attraction is working in the right direction for you. Fourth sign, you are more focused in the present moment, because you have understood that your today or the presently whatever is happening in your life is a result of the past beliefs, the past actions, the past thought process that you are carrying. So right now you are more focused in the present moment to reset everything, focus on more positivity, focus on being more happy, focus on being more peaceful, focus on working on your dreams that you are manifesting, so that if your present will be a positive present, if you do the right thing, if you think the right thoughts, if you focus on the right feelings, then your future is going to be the way you desire. You have understood it and you are more focused on living and doing and thinking and feeling the right thought, positive things in the present. Remember, if you are struggling in your relationship at this point, or you are jobless, or you are in poverty, or you are struggling with bad health, means it is a manifestation of the negativities that you were having in the past. So right now you are working in positively in the present, so that your future is going to be positive, joyful, magical, happy, awesome. So that is the most important thing. If you are not working in the present, my friend, it's time for you to focus on the present, use the right thoughts, feelings and actions to create the right future. Or if you are doing it already, then you are already on the right path. Fifth sign, and this is the most important thing, you are more positive than before. Yes, you are more positive than before means you have really trusted the law of attraction, you have really start working on yourself, and you are really progressing in the right direction. Yes. However, that doesn't mean that you are 100% positive, but if you are even 10% more positive than how you were before, maybe before few weeks, few months, how you were before, if you have become even 10% positive, then you are on the right path. You are using the law of attraction in the right direction, and things will only get better and better. And when your positivity will go higher, your manifestation power will go higher, and you will start manifesting faster. If you are not yet becoming positive, then my friend, you are not using or understanding the law of attraction in the right direction. You need to change it right now. Now, sixth sign is good things start happening with you. Yes, good things start happening to you. What does that mean? Even if your big dream hasn't come true yet, but many good things are happening around you. Maybe you are getting good news, maybe you are seeing other people manifesting your desires, or in your friend circle people are achieving their success, somebody is giving you appreciations, you are receiving small gifts, you are getting discount, wherever you go things are working, someone is inviting you for tea, coffee, lunch, dinner, you are receiving unexpected bonuses, you are receiving unexpected discounts, wherever you go you see happy people, wherever you go people are appreciating you, you start receiving more compliments than ever before. If all these things are happening, that my friend, even if your big dream hasn't come true, Stay assured you are on the right path because you are moving in the right direction. Your positivity, your positive energy start attracting more positivity from the universe. You are moving in the right direction. I'm so happy and excited to see all of you becoming so positive. And I believe all this positivity is happening with all of you because so many of you are keep sharing in the comment section and through email that ever since you start following my videos, ever since you start applying tools, techniques, you have become much more positive and so many good things are happening. If so many good things are happening, do let me know in the comment section right now. Say yes, yes, yes. Now the seventh sign is you feel more at peace than ever before. Yes, you feel more at peace. Right? Remember, the number one obstacle to your manifestation is your stress, anxiety, depression, and negativity. The first sign that you are on the right path is you start being a lot more peaceful than ever before. And why you become peaceful? Because you drop down all your fears, you drop down all your worries, you drop down all your stress, you drop down all your anxiety. Now you are at a peaceful state because you know that life is going to be better from here and you trust the universe fully. You have full faith in the universe. You have full faith in God. That is why I have explained you in my earlier videos. Faith means for anything, I trust him, I trust her, I trust the higher power. Means whichever higher power you believed in it, the God, the universe, the angels, the masters, whomever you believed in, you are trusting them fully and you are at peace. You are absolutely calm like an ocean because you know that no storm can disturb you anymore. You are the magical creation of God. And these are the 7 signs. There can be many more signs, but these are the 7 most important signs. And there is a bonus sign that the 8th sign is you start seeing synchronicity. Yes, you start seeing the repetitive numbers regularly. You start seeing 111, 222, 333, 44, like all these repetitive numbers regularly, and the universe is telling you you are on the right path. If you are seeing the repetitive numbers and you don't know what to do or why you are seeing these repetitive numbers, then you can check my videos here where I have explained you in details and what you should do when you see these repetitive numbers. My friend, right now I want you to tell me which are the signs you are already having, whether you have all these 8 signs or some of them. Let me know in the comment section right now. And if you are missing some of the signs, I have explained you how to get yourself on the path, and you get yourself on the path, and that's how you are going to speed up your manifestation. You have the power to manifest your goals, desires and dreams. Never ever forget that. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes like this, you can join my powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description section. If you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ.